Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off mirror selfie on Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, open your camera application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And after that, you can go to the camera setting right here on the top left. And then if you want to turn off the mirror selfie on your camera, you just need to activate this feature. Save selfies as previewed. Click on the circle button to activate it, and right after you activate this feature, you will be able to save selfies and selfie video as they appear in the preview without flipping them. And that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can turn off mirror selfie in the Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.